Hi everyone! In this tutorial, I'll show you how to change the font size in the Note Sidebar Chrome extension, so your notes are easier to read and match your style. First, what is Note Sidebar? It's a browser extension that lets you write personal notes, meeting notes, or even your to-do lists, all from a side panel in your browser, while you continue browsing the internet. Okay, let's get started. First, click on the Note Sidebar icon in the top right corner of your Chrome browser, and then select the menu item Options. This will open the Note Sidebar Options page. Next, click on the Design tab. At the top, you'll see the font size option. Use the arrows to increase or decrease the font size, and you'll see the change live in the side panel. Also, don't forget to adjust the line height to prevent your text from overlapping. And that's it. You've successfully updated the font size in Note Sidebar, making your notes easier to read and more comfortable to work with. If this video helped, don't forget to like and subscribe, and I'll see you in the next one.